Alright, we're back. It's a new year. I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas. This year, I would love to complete the boat, but it's not gonna happen if we don't work on it. So let's get started. But before we get started, we got a package for one of our awesome viewers, Raymond Halfston. Thank you. I think I know what this is, but we're gonna unbox it and find out. Thank you so much. Okay. Again, thanks a lot, Raymond. We're gonna make good use of it, and it should cut down on prep time significantly. Thank you. Where did the box come from? This is one half of the cabin top, and I made this very weak, very poorly constructed template. So I'm gonna take my marks down so that we don't need it anymore before it goes bad. So these are all straight lines, so I just put in dots and I just have to connect the dots. And then this is a curve. I'll sketch this whole curve mostly. Oh, you don't want that.
Talk about it.
Okay, there is our shape.
Do you want to walk it around? Tony, can you pull back?
What?
This is kind of...
Sit. My pieces for overhead and the cabin cut, and I intentionally cut one a little bigger than the first one, so I can take my router with a flush trim bit and make them identical. I mean, it doesn't matter, they don't have to be identical, but whatever. So what I'm gonna do now is just go and flush trim it so that it can be the same. Okay, so next thing I want to do with these now is to chamfer, because I don't want a radius because I don't want it to come down vertically. I want it to just ramp down to the fiberglass, and this should pretty much take a ½ inch straight down to nothing with the chamfer. Okay, so today we are prepping to potentially glue in at least one of these pieces of plywood into the cabin top. I got everything finished sanded, and Nicholas just mixed up thickened resin, and he's gonna go clean up in the boat now, make sure everything's nice and clean for us to work in there. And I'm going to continue getting this wood ready. Okay, we did have cameras down for a minute, but this is what we got. I know screws are not ideal, having a bunch of holes to patch through the skin, but what could you do, you know? Gotta make something work. It's either this or spend 10 hours coming up with some elaborate solution. So this is the choice we went with, obviously. So I think it's gonna be time to dry fit the second side. So we got our cabin top core cut out, dry fit, and we just gave it a coat of thin resin to soak up a little bit. And now we're getting ready to take it in the boat and glue it up. We're doing the starboard side today. I put screws right in front of me. 3 more holes. Yep, might as well. Might as well get it on there quick, eh? You want me to scrape it out? Because I got gloves? Sure. That's what it looks like underneath. A lot of screws pulling this wood up. So we fill in the screw holes from the starboard side we did a few weeks ago. They're not structural, they're not large holes, so we just countersunk them and now we fill in them with just some thickened resin. And it should hold. I don't have any concerns about that cracking or anything. So.
Sure, they ain't gonna pop loose and we got a bunch of bullet holes in the deck.
And
Ain't gonna hurt to put one layer of chalk mat to hold everything together. Anyway.
Well, we'll see how it goes.